Alfred Knight. Asmin. Inspect, test, trust. Metallurgical laboratory. Our metallurgical laboratory is prepared to meet the quality standards required of the mining industry for the study of minerals. In this laboratory, tests are carried out that allowed us to obtain information for the design and optimization of concentrator plants. Some of the processes that are evaluated at the laboratory scale are crushing, grinding, flotation, leaching, filtration, and thickening. Crushing aims to reduce the size of the ore particles in a controlled manner to obtain a sample with the required size distribution for each test. The crushed sample is divided to obtain representative samples. Milling. The objective is to prepare the ore sample with the required particle size for the flotation tests. To obtain this particle size, the grinding curve of the ore is previously studied. Granulometry, used to measure the size distribution of a particular sample, characterize the samples to be studied in each test, and to control the crushing and grinding processes. Specific gravity. Here, the specific density is measured, which is a physical property inherent to each type of ore, concentrate, and tailings, and which significantly influences the sedimentation and flotation processes, among others. Flotation. In this laboratory, flotation tests are carried out, such as flotation kinetics, open and closed cycle tests. In addition, different reagents are tested, dosages, lime consumption is measured. The recovery and collective concentrate grade that can be obtained from a particular mineral is determined. Selective flotation. In this laboratory, the operating conditions of a selective molybdenum plant can be tested. Here, different operating conditions, pH, potential, reagents, gases, etc. are evaluated to obtain metallurgical indicators, such as grade and recovery. X-ray fluorescence. It is a qualitative analysis that allows operational control of copper, iron, molybdenum, and other element grades instantaneously, allowing timely decisions to be made in ore concentration tests. Filtration. The objective is to obtain information for the sizing of filter presses. Filtration rate, filtering, washing and drying cycle times are measured, the thickness and humidity of the cake, the turbidity of the filtered water. Different operational parameters are tested for certain concentrate or tailings, such as solids concentration, fabric porosity, and filter aid. Sedimentation. The objective is to obtain information for the design of conventional, high-density, high-capacity, and paste tailings thickeners. Here, different flocculants, dosages, and dilutions are tested, obtaining the optimal operating parameters and information to elaborate rheology curves. Rheology. This test allows to determine the shear stress and viscosity for a particular tailings, subject to different conditions of thickening, deposition, and/or transport, such as solids concentration, flocculant dosage, shear thinning, among others. Alfred Knight. Asmin. Inspect, test, trust.